Okay guys, here's how to fix your very annoying Sprinter seat, which I didn't care for. Maybe some of you guys like it, but to me it's really bad engineering. I've done other videos with it. This is a 2022 Mercedes Sprinter, and these seats, you may know, like have this adjustment that pops out to lengthen the seat. Now I find it annoying because when I get in, if I'm passing through or my leg hits this handle, it automatically kicks out and I have to re-squish it in there. I can't even get it right now. Yeah, so you got to re-squish it. And this handle, as you know, stuck out here. And I put seat covers on here, which helped, you know, that covered it up. But this handle, you could easily hit it because it was sticking out about that much. And obviously it was just annoying, popped out. So I just figured out how to deactivate this silly handle. So what's going on is this thing is in here. If you can see this, it's suspended in here like this. Okay, well, no, like this. Is that right? Let me see. Hang on one second. Okay. No, it goes in like this. Yes, okay. So it grabs onto this little shelfy thing, but bottom line is it's in here like this, and you want to push it straight up. In other words, it's in here like this, and you're going to push really hard. You'll see it's horseshoed in there. Push really hard up here, and it'll pop out, and then you can teeter-totter it out of this little thing. So it has these little slots you can feed it into if you want to put it back. I don't know if I can get it in right now. Let me see here. So if it were in there properly, it'd be like this, and you'd have to snap it back in the right position. Anyway, I got it out by pushing it up. It'll snap out of these little, I don't know if you can see those, these little channels. You see them? There's one on each side, and up and out the back is how it comes out. So now you can adjust it if you want to vacuum that crack in the seat. You just push this tab, but you no longer have this handle sticking out to bump and reset the darn seat every time you get in and out or walk to the back of the van. So now I can crush it down. It still locks. It's lower profile. These things don't really bother my leg because I have the seat cover over it, but if you wanted to, you could cut these off if it was annoying you and the thing would be locked in. You could still pop it out. But now I can reactivate it if I want it, go back to original. Anyway, I hope that helps get rid of this annoying, stupid handle. Oh, next video, pay attention. I'm cutting these things off. These are the calf stabbers. So this one is so well designed that it stabs you in the calf on your entire trip. And then when you have to move your leg around it, you smash your knee into the cup holder. That's great. Okay, I'm going to cut those off next. I'll show you a trick I learned that I strategized, and now I know what I'm doing. And I will be in the next video. Appreciate any likes and subscribe. Hope that helps. Oh, and that's my seatbelt panel on the wall here. So there's another video how to remove that. Thanks. Bye.